Queen Sophia Lopez. Pose. 1. These are an amazing hair tie in the back. Please turn around so we can see the hair in the back. Amazing little thing. Let's look at the shirt now, front. We have a wonderful thing on the front, covering up the boobs. We have a wonderful arm thing, perfect. Perfect arm thing. Beautiful. It's beautiful. 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 Look at those little leg things. They're marvelous. Gonna zoom in on the shoes.
It's broken.
We tried to make boots for those connecting to that.
These are broken.
This one is marvelous on her left foot. The right foot is kind of broken on that.
What about the pants?
Time for showing off the marvelous face. Smile, wave your arm. Beautiful, beautiful. Walk it, girl. Walk back.
Okay, leave it in here.
Smile and waving the hand. Let's see how many articles have fallen off your feet.
Just 2.
Oh, looks like some kid pooped in their pants. I think we need to clean that up. Thanks for walking on the white carpet. Your host, Leah Lopez. Say goodbye to Sophia.
Goodbye.
Say goodbye to Poop Boy. Thanks for watching us.